In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to backup and restore your Trust wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to backup and recover your secret phrase of Trust wallet. So for that case, you have to go ahead and open up or log in into your Trust wallet account. So when you're logged into your account, then it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you have to go ahead and click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner, and over here you'll be able to see all these options. So when you are on this page, you could go ahead and select the option that is security, and here you have to go ahead and type in your password in order to access it. So when you open up your app settings, then it's going to take you to this field. So right on this page, you should be able to find this option as security or wallet settings. Tap on it, then you could go ahead and select the method of backup and restoring your secret phrase of your Trust wallet. So that is how you can backup and restore your Trust wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.